Hey guys, it's the Flying Iguana, bringing you a technical video on how to fix an issue if you're gaming on Linux. I'm running bazzite on nvdia for Linux gaming, and I've been having this problem where I go into the game and my resolution is wrong. In fact, I cannot even find my resolution, my native resolution for this screen where I'm gaming on, which is 2.5K, and sometimes not even like the resolution for the second screen up here. And this happens because you just used fractional scaling here. So you want them to be the same size, right? So, but unfortunately, to fix this problem, you need to be at the same fractional scaling, even if it doesn't make sense, even if they're not the same resolution and same size. So you're gonna have to like see, you cannot go through this part, but you can in the middle. So uh how you actually see this problem, basically you just type x render, and that is to show what the old compositor, because basically I don't know how to explain what a compositor is, but basically you need the compositor to play Steep or any other game that uses Proton or Wine. And basically it's a deprecated piece of software right now, but like nobody wants to fix it. But like, yeah, so let's launch the command to see what this compositor is thinking it's working with. So now you see here screen 0. This should be my 4K monitor. You can see here this is the right resolution for the 4K monitor. Unfortunately, it's running at 7280p for some freaking reason. But my second monitor is running at the native resolution that I want. I think it's because I put it on the right, even though it's my primary monitor. I don't know why it does this, but yeah, this if make your primary monitor on the right. I don't know why. It's just the way it is. Um, so what happens if, like a normal human being, you want them to be the same size. You want them to seamlessly look like it's the continuation of the screen. Well, that's normal. That's a pretty human trait you have there, buddy. You put it at 225 and look, they're the same size. So let's apply. But oh no. What happened with xrender? Let's check. It's pretty bad. Let's type it again. Now you can't see it here, but I'm typing the same command. Let's check. Uh-oh. My primary monitor, the DP2, which is the 2.5K monitor, is at 5K resolution. Like, what the yeah. And this one is even worse. It's at 9001, 2160. Well, it's kind of normal. I think what it does is that it upscales, like it takes a huge, like it renders a huge part of your desktop and then it downscales it to look nice. But what it's doing here is that it's impeding you from running your games at the right resolution. If by a fluke the resolution of your screen is the right size to be ignored, whatever. Anyways, to fix this problem, you put the scaling at this for with the same values, and then you just apply, and then we check again. It's render, and yes, it is at the native resolution. So now I should be able to launch a game at the native resolution of, the native resolution, basically. Bang. And that's all I wanted to say. And it has reset it because I haven't kept the settings, which sucks. And in fact, you see, it turned back to this. But now you know the fix. The fix is, let's do it again. Let's not use Bazaar. Let's take the monitors and put the same fractional scaling. Bang, apply, keep. This time we keep it. And in fact, I'm doing the command again. You see, it's at the right resolution. I do not know if putting this on the left changes everything or not, but yeah, this is my fix for this problem. So if this has helped you, or if I got something wrong in the technical explanation, please leave a comment below. Anyways, guys, happy gaming. Right, right. See ya.